Hi everybody, Alex Deployer from Expert Forex, and in today's video I'm going to show you 5 reasons why I use the FBS Forex broker. And I'm going to tell you immediately why I do that. The first one is because they provide cent accounts, and I'm going to go into that in a lot more detail, why cent accounts are very important to most traders. They provide high leverage, they have 100% bonuses on their accounts, and they are easy to deal with in terms of fund transfers and opening of accounts. And most importantly is they provide very low slippage for our linked account service. And that is most probably the most important factor. And that is why I've been looking for brokers that provide cent accounts in the last few months. Okay, so let's have a look at our linked to success service where the cent accounts are mainly used. This service allows you to link your trading account to that of a successful robot trader, and we have over 70 accounts for you to link to, and they produce the most magnificent average monthly return. So let's have a look at this web page, and I'm going to go down to the list of accounts that you can link to. And what we've done recently is we have sorted them and we've created a short list based on a number of risk factors. So in the short list, you can see a number 1, link 12 there, for instance, has a nice high monthly average return. And if you go down that list, you can see that all of the accounts have really good returns. But if we look at the requirements to link to these accounts, you can see that it requires a $10,000 account and it requires 2,000 to 1 leverage. Now that is sometimes a big problem for traders. They don't have a spare $10,000 account lying around, and they might not be able to get that leverage. So that is where FBS's offering comes in pretty well, because cent accounts, what they do is they allow you to, for instance, put $100 into an account. The account will look at it and say, this isn't $100, this is 10,000 cents. So the units available in this trading account is 10,000 cents. And therefore the robot, when it looks at this account, says, oh, this is a 10,000 unit account. And therefore you can use $100 to link to these fantastic accounts. Now this isn't really the topic of this video, but what I would suggest is that you consider doing a 14-day trial. You can try this linking service out and see if it meets your needs, because the linking service produces fantastic results, and a link to this page will be in the description of the video as well as in the commentary of the video. Okay, so the linking service has produced 4 problems. Firstly, the minimum account size needs to be big, 10,000 per account. Secondly, the leverage needs to be high, at least 200 to 1 leverage. Thirdly, which I didn't mention, is when you make use of this linking service, it's good to link to many of the accounts. If you link to one account, you might link to the account as it goes into drawdown, and it might take a week or 2 even for it to come out of that drawdown period and start trading again. So you'll be pretty bored. So what we suggest is that you create a portfolio of, let's say, about 10 accounts, and then one account will always be doing well, the other ones will be battling, and so on. But overall, they will all recover and do well in the end. But in the short term, you could run into some boredom problems with the portfolio. Also, trading a portfolio spreads the risk. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. So again, the cent accounts play quite a good role there. Then there's the slippage element. I'm going to show you quite a few examples of that, where traders link to these linking services, but use brokers that might have high spreads or other ways where the prices differ quite considerably, and they don't get the full benefit from the linking service. So those are the 4 challenges in the linking service, and the answer really is to go for cent accounts, and in particular the FBS cent accounts produce some really good results. So let's have a look at that in a bit more detail. Now, before we do that, I have done a video that explains how cent accounts work, and it is a bit confusing at first, and it explains how with $200 you can create a $20,000 account, or in the example below, with $1,000 you can create a portfolio of 10 accounts with each with $10,000 in them, which is then tradable in this link service. Again, this link will be available in the description of the video as well as in the first commentary. So let's have a look at FBS. There you can see they clearly provide cent accounts, and they provide quite an extensive service, trade most of the instruments that are tradable. And what we're going to do now is have a look at some of the FBS accounts that I have been trading. Now, here's one of the accounts that I've been trading, and what I want to point out in this particular account are a few of the advantages. What is not shown is that this account is 1,000 to 1 leverage, and you can choose that kind of leverage when you open your account. And secondly, what you can see here is they have doubled my initial deposit. So my initial deposit was 10,460. They have doubled it by giving me a credit of 1,460. So that's the second point. They have given me 100% bonus on my deposit. Now, why is my deposit such a strange amount? It's because I like using crypto to make my deposits. Because when you use crypto, the money lands in your trading account within 30 minutes of you doing the transfer, and you can then start trading. So within 30 minutes, the money lands in your account, you activate your bonus or your credit, and suddenly from $104.60, you suddenly have an account of $20,000 in your, that you can trade. And in this particular account, this account has been very successful. It's made almost $6,000 profit. So if you add those together minus the open deals, you'll get to a figure of about $25,000. So for a balance of $104, I'm now trading $25,000. And the beauty of that is that the linking service requires $10,000, and then a factor of 1 is used, so for lot sizing. So for $10,000, you would use a factor of 1. For $20,000, you would use a factor of 2. Now, what I do is I don't use a factor of 2. I use a factor of 1.5 to make the whole trading process safer. And then for $25,000, what I then do is I use a factor of 2. And you'll see some examples in my accounts where I'm using factors of 2 or factors of 1.5. So that allows you to start trading more aggressively and with bigger lot sizing straight away. Now, this type of account is also part of the $1,000 to $1 million challenge that a lot of traders are taking part in, and it shows you already how much $1,000 has moved to $25,000 in a couple of weeks of trading. For more details about this challenge, please watch this video. Again, the link will be in the description of the video as well as in the commentary of the video. So here's the first account that we're looking at. It is linked to link 89, and the lot factor that I'm currently using is 1.5. So what then happens is that when a deal is closed, the sender makes a result, and there's the sender's results listed there. But because I'm using 1.5, the system or the robot will say the sender made that. Because you're using 1.5, we've got to multiply it by 1.5 to come to a number that you should have produced. And that is what happens in that next column. Then it says, okay, well, what did you produce? What results did you experience? And in this case, there was a big negative and you made a smaller negative. So you were $50 better off. So in other words, the slippage was actually positive. And we go down here, and although the first two were negative, you'll see they were all the rest were positive. But in all cases, the slippage was positive. So that's what I'm talking about, slippage. And any participants in this link service should watch this table very carefully. You don't want slippage more than 10% of your account. So here we've actually got positive slippage. Okay, so let's have a look at another account. So hopefully you're getting an idea how important leverage is, how important the extra bonus is, and how important slippage is. And here we're looking at our next account. Also has a lot factor of 1.5. It's trading link 102. It is an active link, and again there are the results that the supplier of the signals has experienced. Here are the results if you multiply that by 1.5, and then you compare those results that you should have had with your own results. And again, look at this, nicely positive. All the results were nicely positive. So again, we're experiencing positive slippage using this FBS account. And then just another quick example. Here's one that's traded link 91. Here are the results shown and multiplied by 150 because that was the lot factor, and the compared with the actual results achieved, and again nice positive slippage that's come through. And here's the account that we looked at earlier that had a balance of 25,000. Remember, that was being traded at a lot factor of 2, and it is in fact link 12 because it's doing so well. We're trading at a lot factor of 0.2. So here are the results that the trader achieved, and there they are. We have to multiply those results by 2 to get the expected results, and there are the expected results. And then what we do is we compare the expected results with the actual results that we've achieved. And again, here you can see some negatives sneaking in, and it's not too serious as long as the negatives are a small percentage. And if you add up all the positive and negatives in this column, for instance, they work out to basically break even. So overall, the slippage is a break even for this particular account, but not as good as the previous one because a lot of these depend on which currency you are trading. Your broker might have different spreads for certain currencies than the supplier's spreads. But here you can see it in action. You can see the importance of slippage, something that people that link to the linking service sometimes don't appreciate completely. So hopefully I've shown you how important it is, firstly, to use cent accounts when you're using the linking service. Secondly, good leverage. Thirdly, a good bonus. Fourthly, the broker must be easy to deal with. And as I've said, if I use crypto, I can be trading within 30 minutes of opening my account. And then the importance of low linked account slippage. And the slippage that I am achieving with FBS cent accounts is really very acceptable. Now, as always, it's important to do your own due diligence on the broker that you're going to select. You need to take all kinds of factors like your residence into account and a whole lot of other factors to make sure that the broker that you're using is suitable for your needs. I'm giving you an example of what I've experienced, but it might not be suitable for you. Now, one of the downsides of FBS is that it cannot take clients from the United States, the UK, or Europe. Now that's where the majority of traders are, and that is one of the downsides of FBS. There are other traders, like for instance Forex. Here I have traded Forex, and I've used Forex in a similar way to FBS. But one of the big differences between Forex and FBS is that the spreads used by Forex are slightly higher, and that means that instead of getting positive slippage, you would get negative slippage. But if that's the only broker that you can use, then unfortunately that is the one that you can go for. A link to this particular broker will also be available in the first comment of the video, as well as in the description of the video. Now, I hope you found this video educational and you've learned a bit about the important elements that have to be in place for you to be successful as a linked account trader. Linking your account to a successful trader is a clear answer to short-circuiting your learning curve and benefiting from this fantastic leveraged market that we trade in. Please study that linking service page that I mentioned earlier, because it is a very attractive option for most traders that are battling with robot trading or robot strategies. Rather do a set and forget link in a portfolio format and you will sleep pretty well in the evenings, especially if you're using cent accounts that allows you to use very small amounts and trade as if you are trading $100,000. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.